So Ed, I know you changed your mind. You said that last flathead was the last one, but you changed your mind apparently.
Well, these customers bring me these problems. I think this motor here is maybe 2 or 3 years old.
Okay.
I don't know who built it. I don't know. I don't remember me doing anything with it, or 2 or 3 years ago. But anyways, he has this problem, and he brought it to me and says, "Here, see what you can do to fix it." So come over a little closer here. And what we're doing is, this is a 1940 motor, 24 stud, 40s, not the early ones, but they bored it 125 thousandths over.
Whoa.
That's okay.
It's a lot though.
Yeah, it's a lot. So then they put the heads on it, the original heads.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure, I've never researched if you put aluminum heads on or not, but the original heads had a water hole here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And once you board it over, then that's from here, that's 60 thousandths here. That's a little bit over 50. So that puts that cylinder closer to that hole.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Sure does.
And also the head has a big hole that matches that.
Yeah.
But the head is original.
Oh, I see.
So if you have taken it from here, 50 thousandths more, you'd be over the same distance there.
Right.
As here.
Mm-hmm.
Now the only thing we can buy a head gasket is a big bore head gasket.
Uh-huh.
So the big bore head gasket is bigger than it needs to be.
Okay.
They made it, a gasket company made them, so make sure they're big enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of making the bore on the head gasket maybe 60 thousandths on this side bigger, they made it 125, so it's 250 bigger.
Oh,
so
wow.
the gasket's made for a bore that's 250 thousandths bigger than original.
Right.
Yeah. So now, if we put the head gasket on here,
yep,
which has a little hole just for circulation.
I see. Yep.
Look at the difference if you get a view how much the hole is in the head gasket.
It's massive difference.
But why don't it leak? It does leak.
Oh, it does leak.
Sure.
Yeah. So what can you do?
This one here leaks too. I mean, it's just a few thousandths there.
Yeah.
This gasket is too big.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. It should be 125 thousandths smaller.
Uh-huh.
I called the gasket company, Best Gasket, and they don't make another one.
Okay, that's all you...
It's the only one they make. Original gasket, which is a lot smaller than this one. So the gasket here is, mainly, if you measure it, it's for a bore 250 thousandths bigger than the original. So I don't know if the other people have ever had that problem or not, but this gasket leaks right there.
Yeah, you can see how it would. Sure, yeah. Absolutely.
So we don't know what we're going to do to fix it. We'd like to fix it. Customer brought me this motor tore apart like this.
Okay.
So we drilled this out, I think, to 5/8.
Okay.
We might put plugs in it.
Uh-huh.
Drive a solid plug in there, maybe a half-inch deep.
Yep.
And then drill our water hole over to one side.
I see.
Away from the head gasket. And more or less drill the water hole over to match this little hole.
Yeah, maybe the same size, but maybe over there.
Yeah, over here instead of having the big hole like that or the big hole like that.
Right.
So we may make 8 of those plugs. 4 for the block and 4 for the heads, and plug them and drill the holes over. I'm sure that'll fix it. So that's some of the things they give me. So
man, you've got weird problems to fix.
Yeah, that's what you get when you start messing around and coming to find out you got the wrong product in the first place. Yeah.
Everything's got a match.
Everything's got a match, yeah.
So I'm going to come back another day when you have this thing ready to run.
We're going to get this running. Right now, I don't have a fill spout for here to put oil in, not that it stops it from running.
Yeah.
But we took the fuel pump off. So I have some being manufactured standpipe here, maybe about 4 inches tall, and put a chrome cap on it.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what we're doing right now.
That'll look really nice.
I tried to buy some the other day, and the guy was out of them.
Yeah.
Some couple of people make them, but
Man, it sure dresses out nice. It looks really great.
And we need to get it running. Maybe this afternoon.
Okay. Meanwhile,
And
when I was here last, you were getting ready to put this adapter on for the coil, and you've done it.
Yeah, it's all done, yeah.
So that's ready. And you got an alternator on where the generator used to be.
Yeah.
It's looking good.
Looks good, yeah.
Yeah, it looks really good. Well, thanks for checking in, Ed.
All right, good. We'll get it running.
Okay.